So we got another wireless charger in the house. This one's fast wireless charging, made by ABOX. I think it's ABOX. Well, it does come in a box. I know, bad joke. Let's open this thing up. Let's see, slide it out. I don't think it's taped or nothing. Okay, I might have to go straight savage on this box. It's not moving. Hold on, bear with me now. Let me just push. I don't want to be, that was so easy. Okay, now, got the sleeve right there. Let me see what else. Let me see, nothing special. I did see something where it said 2.5 hours to charge or something like that. Anyways, it's supposed to be fast wireless charging. So let's open it up just to make sure everything is working properly. All right, got some instructions there. That's the stand. And then we got USB. This is micro USB right here. Put that to the side. Got plenty of those. Actually got one on standby. And then we have the stand here. All right, let's just take that out. And then let's open up the charger itself. So it's got this oval design. Oh, okay. So this one's got a fan going on. Wow, okay. It's got vents on the back. And then it's got a fan going all around this oval shape or egg shape, whatever. And yes, it says ABOX fast charge right there. So let's go ahead and clip this in here. That's pretty self-explanatory. And does it come out? Yeah, it can come out, just in case you need to transport it or something. I did see that on the box. All right, so if you need to transport it, I don't know. Doesn't lock into place this way or nothing, but it's supposed to sit like this because it's a dock for your phone and you just slide it in there just like that. And it sits just like that. All right, so yeah, you definitely want to make sure that you get your phone on these 2 pins right here. It doesn't have a broad base where you actually sit your phone, but it's also supposed to work in landscape too. Landscape works just fine, but as far as these 2 pins right here, you definitely want to make sure that's lined up. Okay, I got my USB, micro USB. No, I got my adapter right here. All right, so this is micro USB. Let's plug that in right through the back here. Oh, I see what they got going here. Okay, so let me take this out. So you can just have your stuff seamless. You can actually put your, if you had a normal one, you could actually put your USB through that little slot right there. That way everything's kind of seamless. But you know what? I think I still do that. Let me just put that on there, slide that through. Let me just feed it through. Nope, it's gonna get stuck. You can't do it with one of these, that's for sure. It ain't coming out if you do. Anyways, I'm not gonna use that method right there. Let me slide this on. Plug this in, and then I will slide that on. All right, so I see a blue LED right there. Just let me know it has power. Does it go off? Okay, it just went off. So that's what the boot up process is. And let's put this thing on here, make sure it works. Let me skirt that around, make sure it's level. And let's see. All right, what do we have? What do we have? Is it fast charging? Oh, I got an appointment in a few minutes. I gotta hurry up. Okay, let me see. Is it fast charging? Let me see. Fast charging wirelessly. 59 minutes until it's full. It's at 67% right now. I hear the fans kicking on. Yeah, that fan is moving and grooving. Wow, I can even feel it sucking the air right here. All right, so that's cool. Fan works, fast wireless charging. Let me see landscape. Uh-oh. Okay, turned off, then turned back on. The LED is actually green on the bottom. You know what I like about this thing? The LED doesn't fire at you. So if you got this thing by your bedside, look at that. If you got it by your bedside, I don't know if that's showing up in the camera or not. My Samsung one, it has a blue LED on it when it's charging, and when I look at it at night, everything else is dark. I got this blue LED firing right into my eyeballs. This right here, it aims down, it's just a green glow. So that's gotta look better at night. Can't wait to try that out. But yeah, it's in landscape mode, it's working. Then I'll take it off, just let it shut off for a bit, and then we'll put it back down, make sure it connects. Bam! All right, so there you have it, the ABOX fast wireless charging dock for your Galaxy phones, any phone with wireless charging, including the iPhone 10. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set this one up in the kitchen so I can maybe watch some YouTube while I'm scrambling my eggs and stuff. But I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I get out of here, you make sure you tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Let's go make some eggs.